pigeons. We finally got the keys to the new place. Did a walkthrough with all the renos on the old house, so I thought it might be fitting to just see what we're going to start out with on this one. Pretty exciting times. We've got a fair bit of space to do something with under here and some internal stairs. It's not actually legal height though, so not really sure what we're going to do there. Plenty of room for activities. We've got a bathroom and a toilet. We've got this little tiny gap here that I absolutely hate. I wish we could turn the stairs around and make them shoot out that way a little bit, so there's actually a walkway here, but you get that. We'll just come up the back stairs, I reckon. We'll start up here. Already took the door opener off that stupid door because it likes to slam on you. We've got our upstairs toilet, our laundry comes out onto our little deck. 6x9 shed, 700 and something squares. We obviously getting Jim's mowing in tomorrow to suss that out for us and knock it down to a manageable level. It's a little bit hard done by outside, not too bad. We had a cyclone come through, so I've had to put a bag on the skylight up there that's cracked. We've also got a, you can just see it beside the dish there, we've got a whirlybird that's blown off. Had to bag that up so it doesn't let any more water in the roof, but easy fix considering. Roof leaks can be more expensive than that to fix, I suppose. Back in through the laundry, we've got our creepy little hallway. Watch out, Poppy. We're going to get new floors throughout. There's our horrible kitchen. We're going to have a bit of a crack at some vinyl. No, it's not vinyl. Laminate painting. Get it all primed up and painted. We're going to paint the whole show. Everything's getting ripped off, all the doors, all the PowerPoint's going to get pulled out. That's today's job. Get them all bagged up so we can just spray paint the whole thing one colour. Get rid of this ugly lipstick on the trims. Yeah, so fresh paint throughout. There's the front door. It's absolutely huge, but you gotta climb down the stairs 4 steps to get that bloody thing open because it's 4 feet wide. So probably going to get rid of that altogether and have one nice big door that opens inwards. Lounge room back there. Then we got another little weird hallway off the side for some reason. We're going to try and get rid of some of these walls. Hopefully that's not too much of a costly exercise. Our gross bedrooms, gross carpets, gross bed. Just pulled that box aircon out there. That was a biohazard in itself, so actually brought the bin up into the house to drop it in there because pigeons had made a nest in it. I'll insert a bit of a picture of that if you can handle it. One of the other rooms, another thing where we're going to have to do some of that laminate painting. Another bedroom, another bathroom. Getting new air cons throughout, new floors, new paint. We're going to do a full electrical fit out, get all these light fixings up to scratch and our fire alarms. Don't mind all the noises, our ghost likes to slam doors. This is the dining room. Probably going to have to end up with some splitties around the place somewhere. I don't know where to put them in a house that's like a maze. But anyway, that's the new project. Thanks, dudes.